그러면 그 세 번째 논문 발표하겠습니다. 그 세 번째 논문은 여기 그 네 번째 여기 나와 있는 그 부산대학교에서 그 발표가 있겠습니다.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Olga. I'm from Russia, by the way, and the title of our presentation is the detection of deception reviews using sentiment analysis and machine learning. So first of all, everyone knows that about online reviews. So online customer reviews play an important role in influencing new customers in purchase related decision-making process, and also about 85% of customers make their final purchase decision based on online customer reviews generated by previous customers. But we faced with the problem that in 2012, the UK Advertising Standard Authority found the TripAdvisor, like everyone knows, the TripAdvisor.com, to be involved in creating deception fake reviews. Approximately 50 million online reviews on its site could not be verified by trusted, and also in 2015 Amazon sued around 1,000 unidentified people for posting fake reviews. So some companies or sellers strategically create fake online reviews in effort to influence customer purchase decisions. And also review deception is one of the hot and new issue in e-commerce service area, and according, for example, of study WHO, by the 2012, there are around 10.3% of products online reviews are fake on the online retail sites. So both industry and also academia, like us scientists, we have expended serious efforts in detecting deception or fake reviews. But also, for example, in China, in 2018, the Chinese government enacted the first e-commerce law that means to control the fake or deception information in online area. And also in 2013, the Attorney General of State of New York spreaded the Operation Clean Turf, a year-long undercover investigation to identify and expose the firm that create fake reviews. But however, research of fake reviews is limited by a lack of high-quality data sets, because we cannot be really sure which review is fake or not, because some of the reviews can be manipulated. For example, let's imagine you went to some hotel, and on the reception they will give you some present and please you to write some review on the site. And for example, you will accept it and you will write it. So in the one point of view, we can't see your review manipulated reviews, because maybe on the first phase, you didn't want to write this review, but because they kind of push you to write that review, so your review can be manipulated reviews. So that question is really hard in this point. So we're faced with our lack of high quality reviews, but we have found one of the few data sets that contains real and fake reviews, and after examination of the data set we come out the following research goal. So the purpose of our research is study to fake reviews features based on a publicly available data set, and through analyzing sentiments and readability tests different machine learning method for detecting fake reviews. So next part is literature review. Online customer review system are one of the most powerful channels to generate word of mouth, and through the potential to increasing customers' ability to evaluate purchasing alternatives, online reviews can improve customers' purchasing decisions. And also, like different definition of deception reviews, as I mentioned before, can be really fake reviews. So, for example, the sellers, they give money to create the fake reviews. And one point, and other point, maybe without any points, we can create manipulated reviews by ourselves. So to detect the fake or deception reviews, we have like machine learning and non-machine learning techniques. In machine learning techniques, some of our researchers, they use supervised or unsupervised machine learning techniques, but also some of researchers use like no machine learning, and they're like the key literature related to deception reviews, you can see on the table. And the next, like truthful reviews and fake reviews have significant microlinguistic difference. And also, like, for example, truthful reviews contain more contextual references and expressive descriptions, whereas the fake reviews are prone to extremely positive or extremely negative expression, because their main point of fake reviews is to push or manipulate our opinion. And the recent study by Wurr identified the 9 characteristics of microlinguistic difference between authentic reviews and fake reviews. In our research, we concentrate our attention on writing style and also on the number of words, because our research now on the first step phase. So we just try some of methods, and we will work on this research in the future. So as I mentioned before, we will examine the writing style to identify features of deceptive reviews. The writing style refers to how customers construct sentences together when they write online reviews to indicate their passion for their own reviews. And for example, like in the study we will focus on 2 different ways to evaluate writing style, that it will be sentiment and readability analysis. So since manipulators are likely to use the sentiments to slant reviews, write a present in a based manner, therefore is influence and potential readers' purchase behavior. And moreover, for genuine, for real consumers that posted reviews in order to share their evaluation on the product, the reliability on the reviews might not be of a great concern. So sentiment analysis is maybe all of you already familiar. So sentiment analysis, or in other words, like polarity analysis, is one of the major tasks of NLP and used to identify and extract the positive and negative parts in the text. So as you know, like each language has each language library and lexicon for classifying the text, sentiment, widely used lexicon-based approach. Lexicon is a dictionary containing the words that reflect positive or neutral or negative sentiments. And next part, it will be readability analysis. Readability is defined as reading easy to improve the comprehensive as well as retention of the textual material. And readability analysis is really common for English. And also, in our study, we used some of machine learning techniques because I already mentioned we are in the first phase. So we used really like simple machine learning techniques like a logic and neural network. So that is a framework of our research. So first of all, we had the review data set, and we do like sentiment and readability analysis. So from text data, we change it to numerical data. And after that, that data, we used to do like prediction of deception reviews using machine learning techniques. So the data contains like 400 truthful positive reviews from TripAdvisor, 40 like fake positive reviews from Mechanical Turk. The Mechanical Turk is that organization who creates their fake reviews. As I know, like you pay $1 for create one fake review. And also like 400 truthful negative reviews from another sources like TripAdvisor and Yelp, and also like 40 fake negative reviews also from Mechanical Turk. So based on sentiment analysis, we provide our sentiment analysis by Python. We use the package text blob, and we use the lexicon-based method. And for readability analysis, as you know, we have so many like method how we can provide readability analysis. In our study, we use two most common one is like ARI, the automated readability index, and also CLI, column logs index. And so here we can count, we use the, for example, the number of characters, the number of words, and also the number of sentence. So the result, the prediction of deception reviews using machine learning techniques. So as you can see, the prediction accuracy is pretty low. So we decide so for that writing style, that analyzing only writing style, it's not enough to predict the deception reviews. So since the initial data set has few variables, even after the sentiments and readability analyzing thereby by increasing the number of variables from 5 to 9, the prediction accuracy remains lower. So in the future, we plan to apply new methods for examination reviews text to finding deception reviews features, as well as apply other deception reviews detection techniques. And for this purpose, we are going to learn more about the features of fake reviews attributes, especially the text of fake reviews. And also we suggest fake reviews are not concerned with product price and quality, whereas the truthful ones are more detailed and contain more contextual reference and expression. Also, for future research, we assume the positive fake reviews are more common than negative fake reviews. So to summarize all of that, I will be really happy to listen from you some advices, because as I mentioned before, we are on the first phase of our research. So I'm really open for your opinion. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you for your presentation.
Yeah.
질문
I think like maybe I told really fast because I was so nervous.
Basically, I think your topic is very interesting, but
Yeah.
I wonder if I have one questions.
Yeah.
Actually, your performance is bad because there are several reasons. So reason, I guess, first my question is, what was used for to predict? What kind of variable used for predicting the fake reviews?
We used
Actually, the input variable.
The input variable was like rating. You can see here like there was like variable deceptive. 1, it will be a fake review, and 0 will be a real review. We used also like polarity. We create like because like the problem is the original data set, because the original data set,
yeah. How many input variables?
That was only 5 variables.
In this paper, I can't show information.
Yeah. Originally it was 5 variables. 5 variables. It was kind of like source name, name of hotel, rating, and also text and deception. So the original data set quality was really bad. But as I mentioned before, we faced with lack of data sets, because I cannot I couldn't really found a good data set with fake reviews. So because of that, we faced with lack of data. And because of that, we had only like 5 variables. So I think like it will be in the future, it makes sense to concentrate our opinion on only on text data. Because unfortunately, I know that their original data quality is really poor.
Yes, so you need search for additional significant variable for
Yeah,
study.
I think like
Because actually it's difficult to detect what kind of the review is fake or true.
yes, it's really hurt. So I think like maybe we should combine like maybe I'm thinking about like semi or supervised learning techniques. Like I mean, we will concentrate all of our attention only on text body, like only on text of reviews, because I think like that is a problem. For example, based on only rating or maybe data, we cannot really make some like consideration about that is fake or not fake.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you for your question. Yeah, any question?
네, 좋습니다.
Yeah, thank you.
자, 그러면 마지막 발표가 있겠습니다. 그 경희대학교에서 마지막 논문을 발표하겠습니다.